Tesla stock has reached its most important long-term support level. What happens here will dictate the direction of the next trend. It all depends on how Tesla will react in the next few days. This is Tesla's major inflection point. So let's see what's happening here so far. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. By the way, my name is Nathan. So right now we see that on the weekly chart, Tesla is making a massive bearish candlestick pattern, losing support levels. We lost the 240, we lost the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, and right now we are struggling around its support levels. Will Tesla hold here in this area? Maybe. If we take a look at the daily chart over here, we just found a support level from August 18 around $212. Apparently, we are stabilizing around this area. However, what's the problem? Guys, Tesla is trading around a support level. Okay, that's interesting. But as long as we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction suggesting a crystal clear bottom signal, Tesla is not going to bounce, it is not going to reverse, and it is not going to make anything interesting right now. Okay, so far we see that Tesla is just dropping. We see only bearish candlestick patterns on the daily chart. This is it. Will Tesla react? Maybe. I don't know. I can't tell the future. This is not why technical analysis is here. Real trading is always reactive. It is never predictive. Technical analysis helps us to understand what is happening right now, how to react to the moment, and of course, to use our own to improve our risk management. This is why we should use technical analysis. All right, and right now, so far, not a single bullish reaction. If we take a look at the broad market, the S&P SPY is crashing. We just hit another support level over here, $422. And just as Tesla, we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction right now. There is not a single bullish candlestick so far, so no bottom signal on SPY. And the situation gets a little bit more ugly on the weekly chart because SPY is not only making a bearish reaction. This bearish reaction over here is called bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and this pattern appeared right under the 21 EMA on the weekly chart after losing the bottom level of this ascending channel. And that's quite problematic because since October 2022, SPY has been in a bull trend. We have been in a bull trend on the weekly chart. That's quite impressive, but right now we are frustrating this bullish sentiment. If you ask me, there is still time for a reaction, but right now the situation is not looking good. And I only say this because QQQ is not that bearish yet. QQQ is still above its key support level at $354. Therefore, there is still hope for tech stocks. There is still hope for Tesla, which is also trading around its own support levels, by the way. And why it is so important to talk about QQQ and SPY? Because guys, Tesla is just another stock. It is just a piece of this gigantic puzzle called stock market, and Tesla is a high beta stock, meaning it is always going to follow the broad market with more volatility. Of course, domestic catalysts, if I can say that, like earnings, numbers, etc., they only act as short-term catalysts. They only bring short-term volatility. They are never enough to actually change the trend. You may say, oh, but Nathan, Tesla reported earnings over here this week and we are crashing 15%. Sure, yes, we are, but we are not crashing because Tesla reported earnings. We are crashing because SPY is also dropping 2%. QQQ is also dropping 2% over here. So the entire stock market is dropping. Tesla earnings only enhanced the previous bearish sentiment over here. All right. So in the end, Tesla is going to follow SPY. It is going to follow QQQ. And if we see SPY reacting above this support level. If we see QQQ reacting above its own support level as well, which is this red line over here seen on the daily and on the weekly chart, that's gonna be great. Probably Tesla is going to recover, it is going to bounce, it could even reverse if we see more signs of reversals, but of a reversal. But right now, again, remember, there's not a single bullish signal. And if we take a look at other indicators suggest that, okay, maybe Tesla is indeed around a very strong support level. And by the way, if you're still watching this video and you're not my subscriber, consider subscribing, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla. You know, even if you're not gonna watch all my videos, I will be here every single day. So whenever you feel lost, or if you wanna hear a second opinion, a technical based opinion, just join me over here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Click the like button as well. Nathan, I want to hear more insights. Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is quite funny, so yeah, follow me over there too. Nathan, I want to trade with you. Telegram channel is there for you, my dear friend. On my Telegram channel, you will have access to my buy and sell signals on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, and many other stocks. This month, we are performing very well. Many stocks triggered many interesting signals, so come on, just join us over there. Now, continuing our analysis, SPY just reached the 200 moving average over here, 200 period moving average, this red line over here. Right now it's official. We hit the 200 period moving average today. So we just reached a critical support level on SPY. We see something like a descending channel over here, short term speaking, and we found a resistance right under the 50 period moving average over here as well. But right now, apparently after such a sharp drop, we are stabilizing right above the 200 period moving average. This is not necessarily true for QQQ, which is still quite far from the 200 period moving average, which is not a bad signal. All right, this is quite good, because this tells us that tech stocks are still looking good. But if we take a look at Tesla over here, Tesla just found the 200 period moving average as well. Just like SPY, we found a resistance right under the 50, and we are stabilizing right around the 200 period moving average. If we take a look at the weekly chart over here again, we see that these key points, the 200 period moving average, the $217 line, they're not the only support levels over here. As I told you guys on the daily chart, on August 18, we see we made a bottom level over here, $212, which is a secondary support level in my humble opinion. And in addition to this support level, we also see a possible support level at $207.79, 208. Let's give a round number, 208, which was a previous top level on March 27. So that's quite interesting. Oh, I'm so sorry. On the week of March 27, this is the weekly chart. So this entire area over here, this entire area is a support area. One of you guys, when we lost the $217, which we have been talking about a lot here in this channel, one of you guys said, "Oh, but Nathan, we lost the 217. We hit $216.80. Guys, remember, the support levels mentioned here on this channel, they are more like support areas, okay? It is very extremely rare for me to say a support or a resistance level, and Tesla reached this support level with an astonishing, incredible, precise accuracy, and then reverse from there, right? This is very rare. We are never gonna, it would be extremely difficult for us to hit 217.65 and then bounce from here, right? That would be very rare. Therefore, we work with support areas. In this area, we should keep our eyes open because, again, it is a meaningful support level. Oh, and by the way, Just out of curiosity, if you are an older subscriber here in this channel, if you are here long enough, maybe you remember that in December 2021, we nailed this bottom signal, right? We nailed this bottom signal, and our target, the target that I set was this gap over here from November 5, which was around $402.67. Tesla reversed it, and it reached our target on January 4 at precisely $402.67. But this is very, very rare, okay? It's extreme. Don't count on that, all right? This is the kind of opportunity that happens once in a, I don't know, a few years. So don't count too much on specific, very precise and accurate support and resistance levels, okay? We usually nail good movements on Tesla here in this channel together, but we always work with support and resistance areas, okay? So, and especially because us professional traders, we always gotta wait for clear confirmation before trading. So right now, to summarize, this is why you should subscribe to this channel. This is why you should follow me on Instagram. This is why you should join our Telegram channel. And right now, Tesla is bearish, short and mid-term speaking. Long-term speaking, we are on the verge of a reversal. On the verge of a reversal, only if we see a miraculous bottom signal triggered around this support area, we could avoid this scenario. I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel, so remember to subscribe. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Bye.